Page 12, Claire de Lune, very famous melody. Keep in mind there's more than one Claire de Lune. And so you think of one and then you hear a different melody and then what? Yeah, there's more than one. This is one of them though. I look it over, it's 2 lines long. Bass clef 4/4 time. We're just using the same notes we've been using. Quarter notes and half notes and whole notes now. 5th finger's on F, and that's the only finger number they give you, and that's good because it's the only one you need here. Try and play it. 1, 2, 4. Remember, I'm using the awkward fingers, but that's good because you're just passing weight from finger to finger and letting weight push the note down, I hope. That takes a little bit of time to get used to, and it will help if you'll exaggerate it and let the wrist claps on each one, just here. Where you're kind of whipping the key down with let the wrist collapse a little bit. You almost feel like you're pulling the note down here. You're pulling it down. You're not, you're pushing it down, but the feel is the weight's pushing it down. You almost feel like you're pulling it down. Play it through and then get rid of the hesitations. No hesitations. There's no articulation, just connect everything. Remember the natural accent. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Feel it. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Okay. Now once you can play it slowly with no hesitations, let's play it together slowly and check that you have the correct notes and rhythms. I'll give us 4 counts. 1, 2, ready, go. 2, 4. 2, 3, 4.